just in. All the gossip. The Rumor Report. Gossip. With Angela Yee.
It's the Rumor Report.
The Breakfast Club.
Well, there is money to be made, and Kylie Jenner and Tyga are going to make that money. The family has decided that Tyga will be integrated onto Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and their relationship will be the main focus on the new season now that they are legal and fair game.
Oh, I thought you were about to say they're going to do the porno, man.
No. Tyga's getting paid per episode right now because they don't know how their love line will translate into ratings. But everybody thinks it's going to be great because the two of them are so great on camera together.
Well, if you like watching Tiger on TV, you can watch him tonight on MTV2. He has his own show called Kingin' with Tiger at 11:30 p.m. Immediately following my show, Uncommon Sense, at 11 p.m.
Him added to the reality show, I think, is going to be great.
Yeah,
and him. The reality show has been, Scott Disick is gone.
Yep.
Obviously, Lamar Odom is gone, and Khloe's not bringing James Harden on right now. Rob's not on the show at all anymore. Caitlyn Jenner is now a woman. So there's really no men left on the show except Kanye a little bit.
Listen, let's pray for Tiger. Okay?
So all the men on that show went through some ish.
Listen, if you feel like wasting your prayers and let them go to the spam folder, pray for Tiger right now.
Lamar went through some ish.
Rob
went through some ish.
But maybe the
Good
key,
luck, Tiger.
Maybe the key is to be a rapper. Maybe if you're a rapper.
Lamar was a rapper.
French Montana was on there.
Yeah, French kind of came out clean.
Yeah, he came out.
Yeah, Tiger will be fine. If you're a rapper, you can survive in the Kardashian family.
All right.